your quick guide to the Q4 housing market in 2024. As we head into the final quarter of 2024, we're going to keep you informed on whether it's a seller's market, a buyer's market, what the trends are going to be, interest rates, etc. First up, interest rates are projected to drop. They're going to go down. Your buying power is going to go up. Homes are going to sell a little bit faster. Sellers is a great time. It's just been a fantastic market all around. Buyers, your buying power has really increased with interest rates dropping, and that's going to continue through the rest of the quarter. Next up, housing prices are stabilizing. They are not continuing to just shoot higher and higher and higher. We've seen the inflation in houses for Q4. Now is the time. They've stabilized. You know what happens in spring? Spring is when we see appreciation in the housing market. So, we can expect 2025 around March 1st for homes to start creeping up a little bit, probably 2 to 3% more than they are right now. But for the rest of this year, they have stabilized. Interest rates are down. It's a great time. Inventory remains low. However, the time to be a buyer is definitely now, because we're going to see a huge influx of more buyers when we turn the calendar into 2025. So between the end of Q4 here and the first month or two of 2025, if you're a buyer, this is when you're going to snag a good deal. With the ever-changing real estate market, it's going up, it's going down as far as prices, inventories coming and going, knowing when's the time to make a move and find the right house for yourself. You really need to talk to a professional that's out there every single day. Give us a call here at the Star Home Team. Hey, I'm Jim Starwell, leader of the Star Home Team at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. We work all the way from Milwaukee all the way down to Chicago. We've got agents all in between. Give us a call and we'll set you up. We'll take care of you.